Hey, welcome back to the Rufus Makes channel. Today, bit of a different video. People who have been following the Rufus Makes channel closely know that I mostly only paint shoes. If you're a real one, maybe you saw the video where I painted a snowboard. That's about as different as I've gotten on this channel. Today, I'm going to be painting a really nice pair of Levi jeans that I found at Goodwill a couple months ago for like $3. And I really like them, so I don't want to ruin them. And I've never painted jeans before, so this should be a new experience, but I want something new and original that I can wear around. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I hope you enjoy. If you do end up enjoying, like and subscribe for more. Try to be back every week. Next week is probably going to be shoes again, but I thought I'd switch it up and test my skills in another medium. So let me know what you think in the comments. Here are the Levi pants I'm going to be painting. I'm going to use a Sharpie to put the pattern on the pants just so I know where to paint and just so I can get it looking right before I do start the painting process. I guess I'm painting earth pants, you could say. They're going to be green and blue. I missed Earth Month by 1 month. I really thought it was May and I just didn't look it up, but apparently it was April. Actually, that was going to kind of be the whole thing. I'm like, oh, Earth pants for Earth Month, but I missed it. But who cares? I can still make these. So let's talk about the Earth. You know, I think a whole month of praise of the Earth is cool, and it's cool to reflect on all of the things that make the planet good and all of the exciting things about it, whether that be your favorite travel destination, maybe a sunset at night that just sparks this feeling of whimsy and wonder, you know, maybe a beautiful waterfall or your favorite hike, or even some people that inhabit it that you hold dear to your heart, or your pet dog, or whatever it may be, and just praising the planet that all of those things find their home in. I think that's great. I think it's great to have a positive outlook on life and where we're at, because there's a lot of bad things about the Earth, and there's a lot of terrible things, and there's a lot of harsh environments, there's a lot of natural disasters, you know, thousands of people dying every day. So there's a lot of bad, but I think it helps to have that positive outlook, I guess. My problem is just like, it's hard to sometimes be like thankful for all of these cool things that I find on the Earth, because I'm lucky to be in a part of the world where I don't have like an imminent threat to my life. Yeah, I guess I just don't have any like crazy threats in my life, and I'm lucky to have that, but a lot of people don't have that. I love to acknowledge the beauty of nature and the beauty of the things around me, but sometimes it's hard to do that when other people have it really bad where they're at. And so I think for me, the positive outlook on Earth, where I live, my home, is good for me, but I don't think it's sustainable without like a healthy amount of acknowledging what other people are going through and where it's not so great in the world, because at its best, being able to look out and see the beauty of the world helps you to want that for other people. So I guess just go out and enjoy the Earth if you have the means to do that. You know, go out, be out in nature, go on hikes and whatnot. I think that's probably the best thing you can do for yourself in this day and age. I think it's good to see the beauty in nature, because, you know, you never know how long all this stuff's going to last. You never know what's going to change in the next 100, 200 years. So just enjoy the time while it's here. And if you have the means to do that, do that. If you have the means to help people, though, do that as well. I think it's just all about balance, being able to see what you're afforded in this day and age and what you can be grateful for, but then also using whatever you have to help others and make other people's lives easier, and not just adding to other people's burdens. That's kind of my outlook on the world. I want to thank you guys for sticking with me for this long. This is a cool pair of pants. Like I said, first time painting pants, and I enjoy them. I think I'm going to rock them as much as I can. And I think they're going to make for some cool fits. Very simple, not crazy at all, not super artistically impressive. I just used 2 colors, and anybody could do this, but I like how they came together, and it was a fun little project, so I hope you enjoyed as well. Let me know what you think about them in the comments. If you think they're just too simple and not all that great, that's fine. I'll take that criticism. I appreciate anybody that leaves a comment. If you have any wacky things for me to do, I'm always open to suggestions. Tell me what y'all's favorite part about living on the Earth is. If you have one, maybe you don't. Maybe you're ready to get out of here, ready to move to Mars or whatever. In that case, I'd also love to hear all about that. that's it. I'm done with the pants. I think they are cool. Super simplistic design, but I think they're very wearable because of that, and they'll go with a lot of different shirts, shoes, hats, jewelry. I think they are pretty universal. If you like Planet Earth, if you like the channel and the direction I'm taking it in, maybe consider subscribing. I appreciate you for watching, tuning in again. I'll be back to shoes next week. I got some cool ideas. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I appreciate everybody who leaves comments on my videos. Like I said, thanks for watching. See you next week. Maybe it'll be 2 weeks. Life's too short to not watch Rufus Makes, so subscribe, like the video, and tune in for the next one. See ya.